I think the best part about working at BD is just being able to be part of such a big team, such a bigger thing than yourself. You feel like you're actually doing something big, something important, and you feel like you're doing it with your team of people as well, which makes you feel really accomplished at the end of the day, regardless of what part or what piece of that puzzle that you physically are when you're working there.
What I like most about BD, what keeps me coming back, is all of the opportunities to learn something new. I've grown a lot in the time that I've been there. If I don't know how to do something, it's not, I don't teach you that right now. It's always, let's teach you more, let's get everybody on the same page. Everybody is able to do something. Very much a team environment.
They go above and beyond for their employees and make sure that the employees know that they're appreciated and they do a job well done. I've never felt so welcomed into a company as BD makes me feel.
I look forward to my day to come to work at BD. Good management, a lot of support, and a lot of freedom to do what you want to achieve your targets.
I'm really passionate about diesel trucks and helping people, so helping people find the right parts for their truck is what I really enjoy about BD.
I would describe BD as family-oriented with lots of room to grow. I mean, I started off there as a picker, and over the years have become lead hand, so I mean, definitely a lot of opportunities.
It's a really good atmosphere, and there is room to grow. I have there in my 2 years I've worked there.
Anytime that you wind up needing help, or you just feel like you want to grow, you want to expand, you want to do better, you want to climb the ladder, they're there for you, they work with you, and they'll do whatever it is they can to help you succeed. Nobody gets left behind.
I would say BD has a healthy corporate culture where the leadership is forward-thinking and do their best to care for and provide a healthy environment for everyone working there.
I love what I do, my passion, honestly, and I don't see myself really anywhere else other than the diesel industry. BD is at the top of the game right now, and it's the place to be for sure.
They pay well, it's a great environment, they're very flexible when it comes to your personal life.
I think having work-life balance is one of the best things, where I have a regular shift and regular hours. I appreciate that they value that part of your life.
I'm grateful to have a reason to get up out of bed in the morning. And I love what I do. They care about their employees. They care enough to provide you with the training and the time and the basics of what you need to be able to do your job. If you need something, my supervisor's got my back. He's there for me. If I need anything, he's there.
They take good care of their people. It's a good work environment. It's stable. They've got excellent benefits, things that you can't even find at other companies. And you're gonna love the people there.